Hello, good morning. It is day number 4. Yes. Yes, today is 4th December. What have we been doing this morning? We slept in and we woke up at about 9:30, and then now it's about 11:30 a.m.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So we just came to Lura Malls to check out this area that we drove past when we came here. It's a super pretty place with a lot of shops that we keep getting distracted by. How about like no restaurant one?
That's why.
But I thought you said have restaurant. Okay, we cross there.
The thing say have lah.
Stop. Okay, go. Nope. Okay, focus. Back to my vlog.
Focus is not the word of the truth.
Yeah. So we said, okay, let's find a brunch so that we can go for the walk. So the moment we reach here, we didn't focus.
Oh my god, is there a market?
It's a mini market. Okay.
Distracted again.
Yes, we're distracted again. So we're supposed to find food, lunch. But we see a market instead. Where should we go?
It's really a market. Am I like eat first? Okay.
Okay, she said we eat first. Okay, let's
Big dog
cross.
staring at you.
It's a big dog staring at me. She's lost.
Yeah, I'm lost. This is the door.
Doesn't look very excited to eat, but okay, time to eat. We finished eating brunch. Now we're looking at the magpie. She's trying to show it to me, but I cannot see it.
Yeah, this. Anyways, am I?
So now we're gonna check out the market that we saw and almost got distracted by. We'll find out what they have. I think it's quite a small market lah. It's not full. The day started out planning to go for a walk, and the day is going like shopping.
We are walking.
Yeah, just inside. I guess we will get to see what we want to see later on lah, huh? She's buying nuts at this point. Different packs for her aunt.
She only asked for nuts. So, get one from Coles, get one from Woolworth. Maybe we need to go and get one from Aldi.
Aldi, yeah.
She'll never ask for nuts again.
Okay, we finally found our way into this area to walk. Thankfully we drove to this place because the walk here was up and down with a long stretch of just straight road. It would have been a half an hour walk, and the weather, even though it's 11 degrees, I think now should be hotter already, right?
Let me check.
Yeah, but I think with this weather it's still quite hot. Wow, if you could only be here,
Who's you?
whoever watching this video. Yeah, it's so beautiful. You can't explain how beautiful it is unless you're actually here.
Yeah. Even when you're here, you cannot explain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have the Three Sisters on the left, and we have the Orphan on the right.
They closed the visitor centre at 4 o'clock. We just reached, and I haven't gotten to be a sucker for like their souvenirs. So yeah, I can't believe this nonsense. It's 4 o'clock. I also want such work-life balance.
We would like to celebrate this momentous occasion where Rachel decides to drive. Her first time driving in Sydney, Blue Mountains. Let's go! Share with us your thoughts on your first drive in Sydney.
Thank God got no cars. Oh, there's Audi. We need to buy nuts.
Okay.
Bye.
She got distracted. Come on, focus.
What?
How was your first drive?
I couldn't even turn on the car.
Ah, yes. Then she was like, why is it so heavy? Why is it so heavy? I cannot drive the car. Yeah, and then I was just like, because she turned it on wrong. Because she was like, oh yeah, turn it lah. And then she never turned it all the way. Anyway, we made it safe and sound. It was a good drive. First drive. 4 minutes drive. So we ordered strawberry smoothie that doesn't have milk, a bowl of soup of egg, which is pumpkin, and muffin. I don't know what muffin it is, the muffin of the day. She will tell us what it is. And this is their, is it like sourdough bread or artisanal bread? I don't know, some kind of bread. Yes, very nice.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
So extra. Anyway, she just put on the sheets when she asked me to film her. But anyway,
You need to film yourself.
we are going to Blackheath and then some winery, right? Yes. It's called Bilpin Cider. The initial plan was to catch sunrises, but then I was lazy. We were all lazy and tired. But then last night we woke up just nice at 5 to a massive nosebleed, but we caught the sunrise. It was very nice. Yeah, and then we went back to sleep. So we'll see you at Blackheath. Bye bye. She was like, oh my god, you can stop here and like look at the sheep. Then I look at the neck of the thing and it's like, that's an alpaca. Not even Yama, you know, it's just straight up sheep. Alright then. I think I should never scream hello sheep.
Okay, we have over here an apple pie, and then we have the crackers. We have a meat board. I think it tastes like, the texture is like gum, but the taste is like a,
Sorry, we're so uncultured.
yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So she's putting a biscuit with a meat, with a cold meat and a pear, and just eating it together. And then we ordered a non-alcoholic